Last lecture में we have discussed electric charge. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज हमने डिस्कस किया था. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज is an entity which has an ability to exert force without any physical contact. The charges exert force without any contact. Mute करो mic. Without any contact. Then next you see there were two types of charges. Two types of charges were there, positive and negative, right? And like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Then we have discussed elementary particles which carry charges are electrons and protons. Elementary charges elementary particles which carry charges are electrons and protons. Protons do not participate in charge transfer. Electrons participate in charge transfer. Charge एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने का काम सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉन करेंगे in case of solids. Then conductors are the substances which have free electron in them. The substances which have free electrons in them are known as good conductors, and absence of free electrons make anything insulator or a bad conductor. So this is what we have studied in last lecture. Now, moving from here, let's discuss a word charging. Not very important, but still we'll discuss this. Charging, if you remember in last lecture we have discussed every substance, the objects which you see around are usually neutral. If I say electrically neutral, then what does it implies? Number of electrons in it are same as number of protons, so that net charge is 0. So net charge on electrically neutral object, let it be conductor or insulator, is always 0. Now, what do you mean by charging? Charging means what? Accumulating charge on any conductor. So charging implies accumulating charge on any object. It can be conductor or insulator, right? Now, how do we do this? There are two methods. One is charging by friction. Charging by friction. This method is used only for insulators. Only for insulators. What we do here, when two objects with different electron affinity, I'll use a word, electron affinity, you'll study in chemistry, are rubbed against each other, few electrons are transferred from one object to other. leaving negative charge on one of them, leaving negative charge on one of them and making other positive.
Sir, can you write more bigger?
Okay, leaving negative charge on one of them and positive on other. If you remember examples which we have taken in last lecture, suppose this is your glass rod and this was your silk fiber. If these two substances are rubbed against each other, here number of protons and electrons are same. Here number of protons and electrons are same. But once these two objects are rubbed against each other, some of the electrons are transferred from glass rod to silk fiber, right? So here number of electrons is greater than number of protons. So this becomes electrically negative or negatively charged. So this becomes negatively charged. And here number of protons is greater than number of electrons as some electrons were transferred from here. So this becomes positively charged, right? So this is one method of charging. We call it charging by friction. Here, due to friction, electrons of one of the objects are transferred to other, making one of them negative and other as positive. So now both of them are electrified now. This is negatively charged and this is positively charged, right? And now they have ability to attract each other. Electricity here, which was supposed produced by friction, is also read as frictional electricity. The property, electricity is what? The property by virtue of which the charges attract each other or exert force on each other without any physical contact. In this case, it is known as frictional electricity, right? You might have studied in junior classes. Now, charging by friction, this is only applicable or this happens only in the case of insulators. Question is how to charge conductors. So charging by induction. Charging by induction. So before I explain what is charging by induction, let me explain what is earthing. Now, this is again an important word. We'll discuss this in your chapter also. Earthing. What do you mean by earthing? See, suppose there's a conductor. This be a conductor, and say this is your earth. Now, if by some means or due to some reason, some charge is accumulated on this conductor, and now if you connect this to earth using a conducting wire, suppose as a conducting wire, right? And using this conducting wire, if you connect this conductor to earth, what you will observe, this entire charge goes to earth. Repeat. See, if by some means you have accumulated some charge on a conductor, this is your conductor, and some charge is accumulated on it. If you connect it to ground, all the excess charge which is accumulated here, which is present here, will drain to earth. Next figure I'll draw where I'll show you that there is no charge left on this conductor. Why? Excess charge, whatever charge was accumulated on this goes to earth. Now question is why? Suppose there's a conductor which has some negative charge induced on the conductor, and if I connect it to ground, ground is what? This is earth. This is earth and this is.
सर आपका वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया.
यार मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा, क्या हो गया? वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. हाँ, अभी आ रहा है?
यस सर.
So, सो ये कंडक्टर है, इस कंडक्टर पे कुछ एक्सेस चार्ज है, वो एक्सेस चार्ज क्या है? नेगेटिव. तो दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज is due to what? Free electrons जो बाहर से import हुए होंगे, extra electrons है. Now these electrons repel each other, and once you have connected it to Earth, हमने इसको Earth से connect कर दिया, तो Earth remains neutral. Earth is always neutral. So these electrons will move into Earth. So these electrons flow inside Earth, right? So ये जो excess electrons हैं, next figure में what you'll see is these electrons have moved to Earth, making this neutral. So Earth is already neutral, now this also becomes neutral. So Earth से connect करने से हुआ क्या? These excess electrons, which were actually free electrons also, they were repelling each other. So due to that repulsion, these electrons were pushed to Earth. So this becomes electrically neutral, and obviously Earth was neutral. So अर्थिंग की वजह से वो नेगेटिव चार्ज चला गया ग्राउंड में. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस इफ देयर वाज अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज हियर. सपोज यू हैव accumulated some positive charge in the conductor by some means, and now you connect this conductor to Earth by means of a conducting wire. So this positive charge will attract the electrons of this conducting wire, pulling them to the, now this is not extra electron, huh? Now, these are free electrons, suppose, of this conducting wire. So they will be pulled in the conductor, making conductor neutral, and this conducting wire will take some electrons from Earth. Earth being neutral will supply some electrons to this wire. As a result, this conductor again becomes neutral. So altogether, what we see is, on a conductor, if some excess charge is accumulated by some means, and if that conductor is connected to the ground by means of a conducting wire, that extra charge flows inside the Earth. If it is negatively charged, then excess electrons will flow to the Earth. If it was positively charged, then electrons will flow from Earth to the conductor and make it electrically neutral. This is important topic. This is there in your textbook also. You'll need it in current also. So, earthing means what? Connecting a conductor to the ground by means of a conducting wire. And what is the effect of it? If some charge is accumulated on the conductor by some means, that excess charge flows to the Earth, right? Okay, now let's see what is charging by induction. Suppose there's a conducting sphere and is kept on a insulator. Suppose I want to make this as positively charged. This is electrically neutral, and I want to make it positively charged. So what I'll do is, I'll bring a negatively charged object. This is the object which is already negatively charged object close to this conducting sphere. Now, this conducting sphere has a lot of free electrons, and obviously its counter positive charge as it is neutral. So what was there before, picture would look like this. Not exactly, but close to this. So there were free electrons. I have marked few free electrons and their counter positive charge. Now, as you bring in this negative charge from close to this conductor, this negatively charged object will push free electrons of this conducting sphere towards right in this figure, and its counter positive charge will appear on the left side. I'll repeat. When you bring negatively charged object close to this conducting sphere, ये conducting sphere था, ये negatively charged object आप उसके पास लेके आए, तो ये negative charge है, it will repel the electrons. So due to repulsion, these electrons will be pushed towards right. तो ये electrons इधर चले गए, and इनका counter positive charge, इनके हिस्से का जो positive charge है, वो left side में accumulate हो जाएगा. Now, in next figure, if I connect it to ground, the symbol of earthing means what? I have connected this wire और दिस ऑब्जेक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंडक्टिंग वायर टू द ग्राउंड, ये अर्थ को कनेक्ट कर दिया, राइट। अब इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, ये जो एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं इस साइड, ओवरऑल दे आर नॉट एक्सेस, बट इस साइड थोड़ा एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, एंड ड्यू टू रिपल्शन फ्रॉम दिस वन will move to ground and this positive charge will be held by this negative charge. So next figure में कुछ ऐसी situation create होगी, ये ऐसे रखा हुआ है, this positive charge will be held by this negative charge, whereas this negative charge will flow into ground or earth. तो ये साइड के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्सेस है वो बाहर चलेगा, राइट। नाउ डू वन थिंग, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आप इस वायर को डिस्कनेक्ट कर दो। Now disconnect that wire. कौन सा वायर, जो कंडक्टिंग वायर आपको ग्राउंड में जाता दिख रहा है, इस वायर को आप हटा दो। तो हटाने के बाद कुछ ऐसी फिगर दिखाई देगी आपको, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज जमा हुआ दिखेगा, ऐसा नहीं। नाउ इफ यू रिमूव दिस आल्सो, इसको भी हटा दो, फाइनली कुछ ऐसा पिक्चर दिखाई देगा। So ultimately what we have done here is we have accumulated some positive charge on the conducting sphere which was neutral earlier. In this figure, this conducting sphere was electrically neutral. Why? Electron and protons are equal in number, negative charge and positive was equal in quantity, and hence it was electrically neutral, net charge was zero. When I brought a negatively charged object close to it, electrons were pushed to right. When I connected it to ground, these electrons go inside earth. Now, if I remove this conductor also, this object also, it acquires a positive charge on the, sorry, this conducting sphere acquires a positive charge. So this is how we charge conductors by induction, right? Here I have not rubbed or physical contact was not there. It's something like I have, without touching, I have made this charge. So we call it charging by induction, right? Now, if you want to make this conductor, this conducting sphere negatively charged, अगर आपको इसको negatively charged बनाना होता तो भी मैं कुछ ऐसे ही करता था। क्या करता था? Suppose I want to accumulate negative charge, so I'll bring in positive charge close to it. Now this positive charge will pull free electrons on this side and their counter positive charge on this side. Now if you connect it to ground, this positive charge which is accumulated on the right side will pull some electrons from ground. वो ग्राउंड से कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को पुल कर लेगा। ग्राउंड से पुल करने के बाद ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अंदर आएंगे, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अंदर आएंगे, राइट साइड आपका न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा, सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बचेंगे ये साइड में, कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा। ना इफ यू रिमूव दिस, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में कुछ ऐसा नजर आएगा आपको, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हर जगह पे यूनिफॉर्म। सो दिस इज हाउ वी मेक an object, sorry, a conductor negatively charged by induction, right? So this is process of charging. First we are seeing charging by friction, which is used to charge bad conductors, right? Bad conductors को charge करने के लिए we rub the two objects against each other. जो ज़्यादा electronegative होगा, electron affinity जिसकी ज़्यादा होगी, sorry, वो electrons उसमें transfer हो जाएंगे, तो negative positive हो जाता है. This is charging by induction. This is used for charging good conductors. कैसे करते हैं इसको? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बनाना है तो नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट पास में लेके आओ, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को पुश करेगा, अर्थ से कनेक्ट कर दो।
हेलो सर।
हेलो।
हाँ सर, वो जो आपने लास्ट वाला बताया वो भी न्यूट्रल हो सकता है ना?
कौन सा यहाँ?
नहीं सर, उसके और इधर बाजू में, जस्ट बाजू में।
ये
नहीं उधर।
ये सी डाउट कहाँ से था? ये इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में
ये।
हाँ वही वाला, कि वो भी न्यूट्रल हो सकता है ना जब वो पॉजिटिव
चार्ज। दिस इज ऑलरेडी न्यूट्रल। सी दिस इज ऑलरेडी न्यूट्रल। मुझे इसको नेगेटिवली चार्ज बनाना था तो मैंने क्या किया, एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो पहले से पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, there is an object which is positively charged from before, कर लो सब लोग, ऑन कर लो, बहुत सारा डिस्टरबेंस आने दो, कुछ सुनाई मत देने। ये पॉजिटिवली चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट मैं इसके पास में लेके आया, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज इस कंडक्टर के फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को पुल करेगा।
हाँ
पॉजिटिव, तो इसके जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस साइड इधर चले आ गए,
हाँ
और इनके हिस्से का पॉजिटिव चार्ज तो रहा होगा ना कहीं, तो वो सपोज इधर चला गया
हाँ
बिकॉज ऑफ रिपल्शन, तो यहाँ साइड पॉजिटिव बन गया और इधर साइड नेगेटिव हो गया ना। इफ आई कनेक्टेड टू ग्राउंड, ये एंड मैंने ग्राउंड से कनेक्ट कर दिया, तो
यस सर।
ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्या करेगा, यहाँ के ग्राउंड के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अंदर पुल करेगा।
हाँ
तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अंदर फ्लो हुए, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस साइड को न्यूट्रल कर देंगे,
अच्छा
और ये वाला ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे। अब
हाँ
मैंने उसको ग्राउंड से डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया, ग्राउंड से कनेक्ट किया था, ग्राउंड से डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ फिगर हो गया। फिर मैंने इसको भी हटा दिया, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यूनिफॉर्मली ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गए।
ओके
पक्का समझा?
ओके सर।
So
हाँ।
this is what we say is charging by induction.